Okay, hello, we're back. I've had some snacks that I've been sitting on for a while, a month, um, and I'm gonna eat them now. I've decided now's the time. Um, we'll see if this is two videos or one video. I've got two snacks in front of me. So originally I thought I was gonna start with the more exciting one. Let's say I've decided I'm not. This is the less exciting one. Um, it's already open because I got these from my grandmother. She said she wasn't a big fan of the flavor. So we're gonna try it out and see how we go. These I'm guessing they're gonna be a bit stale. But hopefully, I mean, the thing is that we're really looking at the flavor. Um, so yeah, I kind of just want to dive into it. Like, I feel like there's not a whole lot to talk about with this. It seems relatively straightforward. Now, you look at this, you look at the packaging, and there's a lot of little flecks. You notice a lot of little flecks. You open, first of all, you get a good whiff of dill pickle when you pull these out. And, like, just immediately off the bat, I don't know if this is really showing up, but very few flecks. So already a point against it. But, I mean, the real thing is the flavor. It's the initial flavor, and maybe the whole flavor, is a bit strange. Um, I, this might be like frowned upon, but I just want to get the flavoring. It's got this sweetness to it, I guess. It's like the flavoring is a mix between dill pickle and bread and butter pickle. And maybe that's where I'm having an issue. You notice this kind of weird flavor right when you first eat it, and then it does kind of linger. I mean, it tastes like pickle. It's not like, oh my god, it tastes like, radish or something. It's not like they completely blew it, but it just is not. It's not like the dill pickle flavor that I really want, I guess. And again, I feel like it's like this weird sweet. It's hard to describe. I feel like the bread and butter pickle is like a good comparison. I feel like that's maybe the first thing that comes to mind is as what this tastes like. Like, they're not offensive, but they're also kind of weird. It's, I don't know, like this like sweet vinegar flavor almost that just, it's like feels a little out of place. Um Yeah. A little out of place, not great, honestly. Um, yeah, I do see the issue with these. I wasn't sure going in, but I mean, you know, you go into it and you're like, oh, whatever, it'll be fine. And it's like, actually, do do I want to eat multiple of these? Obviously, I have been for the purposes of this video, but like, you eat one and it really makes you question whether you want to have another one, which I don't think is what you want when you're making a snack food. I think what you want is you eat one and you think, damn, I better eat another one. And then that just continues forever. I forget, last time I did the ranking out of 10, and I forget if that's how I've done it in previous videos or if I did it out of 5. I think I'll do it out of 10 again. It's hovering right around a 5 for me. I feel like below 5 is like, that's bad. And above 5, it's like, I mean, it's like a 5.2 is like, that's not good. It's probably like a 4.8 for me. Am I gonna keep these around? I don't know, I have a lot of snacks in my apartment that I have a small amount left of that I'm probably never gonna eat. This might fall into that category. Maybe I'll bring it in somewhere and, foist it upon my friends. Yeah, 4.8, I think is what I said. Yeah, not good, not great. Yeah, those are my comments.